Hi, I'm Tom from Qurate, and we make a platform management system which you can kind of think of as a next generation content management system, the WordPress for the next stage of the internet. Whether you know it or not, there's actually a lot of disruption happening in the major concept of the internet at the moment. We're moving from a hyperlinked internet where the user moves from site to site and a marketing objective is to pull users into your site. We're moving away from that model, and instead, we're moving into a push model where content publishers have to create their content for their website, for their apps, on their social accounts, but also publishing in multiple formats, such as instant articles or Google's AMP format. Now, this is a marketing nightmare. It's very difficult to do at the moment. Content management, content curation, and app backends, they're all separate services. It's very disjointed. Our platform solves these problems. But first, a quick comparison between a content management system and Qurate Cloud. So a content management system is naturally disconnected from social. It's an island which produces your website content. It's not intelligent, doesn't know who the user is, and we can't target them. And one CMS makes exactly one site. Our curated cloud platform is integrated with APIs, social APIs and IoT APIs at the core level, and allows multi-format publishing. We offer very deep personalization algorithm endpoints to developers so they can easily target their users. And a single cloud can run multiple websites, because every company has more than one website now, especially if you're a medium or an enterprise company. Our system's very modern, and you can update everything purely on the cloud, which means it's very efficient. Bacardi use the Qurate system to make a global cocktail recipe platform for their web, on the web, and also native iOS and Android apps. They curate a lot of their social partner content, and we also integrate with the Bacardi Cocktail API, which is thousands and thousands of, tens of thousands of cocktail recipes. Now, because our system indexes the content, it means that you can do quite advanced filtering very quickly. For example, I want to see cocktails with tequila or vodka. And I want the cocktail to be sweet. And in my fridge, I might have a lemon. And so you can very easily, in real time, filter through thousands of pieces of content. Now, these could be cocktails. They could also be music. It could be fashion or any kind of data. And so by providing a platform which allows brands to make more substantial web online projects than a standard CMS, we save a lot of time. Our Qurate beat Adobe and WordPress in a contest for this global recipe platform, and we delivered a multi-platform, socially integrated, and connected with their custom IT APIs, which none of the other systems can do. And so it's a good example of how Qurate could be used in enterprise, for example. Now, what you're looking at now are our developer tools, and you can do everything in our developer tools. You can define the database, you can write your code, and you can even write server code without recompiling it. It's a very advanced developer platform. Gravity Road, which are Advertising Age Magazine's Agency of the Year, they developed an online game on our developer tools in 5 days. It would usually take them a month to do it. And so you can see there are real efficiencies there with development too. But it's not only websites. You could also use Qurate to create original apps. And so this is an example here of an app that we made using our API called Q. And this isn't just an app. This is a software as a service app where all of the back end was done in the browser. And so Q, on the Discovery Channel, they reviewed it. They said it's the simplest, fastest app on the market for making a website. But the really interesting thing is that only 3 developers built it in a year, and it's built entirely on our Qurate platform. And so to make a software as a service without writing a single line of back-end code is a kind of a revolution. 20% of the top grossing productivity apps on the App Store could be built on Qurate Cloud. And so essentially, the key target for us right now are the top 2% of the CMS. market. The CMS, such as WordPress, is a bit too limited for them, and the enterprise systems, which cost hundreds of thousands of dollars, are a bit too expensive. And those are the medium businesses, the creative agencies, and the brands. And so we're offering a fully managed cloud platform as a service, 1-year subscriptions with an average of $800 per year. And it's a fully scalable and customizable cloud. It's your own cloud. You're not sharing it with anyone else. Our team, as myself, I used to be head of multimedia at Rolls-Royce. I founded my own design studio about 10 years ago. And together with Ozgun, we've developed this kind of next generation architecture. Digby used to be director of brand strategy at BuzzFeed, director at MTV, and UK manager of Dailymotion. And we have 2 great advisors, Iwata-san, who is the founder of Skype Japan, and he's a partner at Atomico, and Francis Perrin, who's a partnership manager at Orange Labs. And so, essentially, we are creating a system for people who have been in the same industry as us. So we have a deep industry knowledge. We've been running a design studio for 12 years, working with ad agencies for 15, and we've built hundreds of websites for the clients. Thank you very much.